Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anupama. I am a skin specialist and hair transplant surgeon. Today in this video, I will be discussing about head lice infestation. It's a very common problem which usually affects children, but it can also affect adults. So I am going to tell you what is the treatment for head lice infestation, how you can remove head lice and its eggs from your hair. Since it is a very common problem, so this video is going to be a complete guide if you have this infestation. So let's begin this video by discussing what is head lice and head lice infestation. In scientific language, head lice infestation is also known as pediculosis capitis and is caused by a small crawling insect known as Pediculus capitis. It spreads from one person to another by close head-to-head contact. It can also spread by sharing of items such as sharing of rubber bands, combs, hairbrush, and sometimes also through sharing of pillows and bed sheets. Now let's discuss what are the symptoms of head lice infestation. Most common symptom which mostly everybody develops is itching. This itching develops because of sensitization of your skin with the excreta or the saliva of head lice. Also, you will see that person having head lice infestation will have presence of lot of nits or eggs on the hair strands. When we talk about lice, eggs or nits, they can be of two types. First is viable eggs. These are generally present close to the scalp surface, and empty eggs or empty nits are present generally away from the scalp surface. Now, secondary infection over the lice infestation is very common, especially in children. Children, they scratch a lot, and secondary infection on those scratches or that skin is very common. So such children may have fever, pus-filled lesions on the scalp, and sometimes they also have swelling behind the ear. That is generally due to enlargement of the lymph nodes or lymph glands. Now let's talk about the treatment of head lice infestation. Head lice infestation treatment is very simple. We generally prescribe creams and lotions. Sometimes tablets can also be given. When you're applying a cream or lotion for the eradication of this infestation, then you have to apply it twice at an interval of 7 to 10 days. Now, why do we need two applications? This is because the first application will take care of all the head lice on your head, but this will not be able to kill all the eggs. So the next application will be able to take care of all the new lice which will form from hatching of the eggs. Also, resistance is a very common problem with head lice infestation. So this twice application will also take care of the resistance. Now this second application will also take care of any reinfestation which can happen in case you have any other family member also infested with head lice. Now let's discuss what are the different treatment options available. Most commonly available lotion is permethrin 1% lotion. It has to be applied on wet scalp for about 10 to 15 minutes, after which it can be washed off, and you can remove all the killed lice and nits with the use of fine comb. Then the next option which is there is permethrin 5% lotion. Some doctors like to give permethrin 5% lotion as well. Then there is ivermectin 0.5% lotion also available. Children who are above 15 kg of weight and in adults, we also sometimes give ivermectin tablets. Then there are other options also available like lindane and malathion lotion, which can be given in case of resistance, but these can have certain side effects, so generally they are avoided. Other medicines are also available in the form of benzyl alcohol cream, spinosad cream and dimethicone cream. These can also be used if they are available. Now let's talk about different types of home remedies for head lice removal. First home remedy, which is most commonly used, is olive oil application or essential oil application on the scalp. When we apply oil on the scalp, this will reduce the movement of head lice but will not kill head lice. So this can be important if we want to easily remove head lice from the head. This will also help in removal of nits or eggs from the hair strands. Second home remedy can be use of a waxy material like petroleum jelly or pomade on scalp and hair strands. This will also kill head lice. Some people do like to shave their head completely if they have head lice infestation. This can be a good option for some people as it will remove head lice as well as their eggs from the scalp. So this was all about head lice infestation. I have tried to cover everything about head lice infestation and its treatment, but if you still have any other question, you can ask us in the comment section below. We will try to answer all your queries. Please subscribe to our channel, and for more such videos and information, please click on the bell icon. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.